Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So guys, I hope you watched our previous video on conversation. So as we said that we are going to come up with new videos. Today we are going to watch a video where two new friends are meeting each other and they ask about the address of each other. So let's watch.
Hi Myra, how are you?
I'm great. What about you, Siddhi?
I am doing great. So tell me about you. Where do you live?
I live in South Mumbai,
South Mumbai? Where in South Mumbai?
in Lower Parel.
Oh, Lower Parel. I've heard about it. It is popular for its palladium.
Yes, it is. Okay, where do you live?
Oh, I live in Kolaba.
Oh, that's a very nice place. But where in Kolaba?
Kolaba Causeway.
Oh, I have heard that Kolaba Causeway is a very good place for street shopping.
Yes, it is. Do you want to explore it with me?
Yes, I'll be glad to.
I hope you like the video. So these are some of the phrases used while asking address. So guys, keep watching, keep learning. Bye bye for now. See you soon.